my proposal story. It's a fun one. Whenever I go on a vacation, I always try to like get one perfect photo for the gram, you know. Dylan and myself went to a vacation in Italy. There was this one restaurant inside of a cave, and the place was gorgeous. I mean, it was a beautiful summer day, and after a while, I feel like we got it. And he's like, do you mind taking a picture of me? And I'm like, okay, Mr. Influencer himself, like, okay, change of scenery. So I turned back around, and before I noticed, he was on one knee. The first thing I said was, are you sure? I was like, really? With me? I'm on like cloud 9, living my best life. I'm like, oh my God, I'm engaged. And then the waiter comes over, and I'm like, look, I just got engaged. And she literally goes, that's great. And then because we were in a cave, there was no connection. We couldn't call anyone. We couldn't text anyone. So it was great to really, you know, celebrate that moment with each other, just the two of us. So it's a moment I'll, of course, never forget.